Hey guys, today I'm going for a walk with my friend, so I thought I would just take you with me and show you a beautiful summer evening walk in Moscow. I'm meeting with my friend Anya. I'm gonna introduce you to my friend. We're gonna go for coffee, we're gonna go on a river, maybe on a boat, and then we're gonna have some healthy protein burgers. So if you're interested in that, come with me. We're starting our walk in this beautiful new building complex which called Lucky. I'm meeting my friend Anya. There she is. This is a very expensive residential complex. The apartments here are really expensive, as I already said it. It has little restaurants here. Gorыныч, Pechorin. Coffeemania is this like overpriced coffee place. No idea, like the water can cost, how much does water cost there?
500 rubles.
500 rubles, insane.
I've never been there.
Yeah, me too. I'm too poor for coffeemania. We're gonna get coffee and then we're gonna go to the embankment and hopefully we'll get on a boat. Anya doesn't want to, but I'm making her. A memorial for soldiers who died in the Great War. We're going to Drinkit. If you want to, you can change for English here. I'll change it for you guys. Matcha. Functional drinks, no idea what it means. Iced protein vanilla latte.
But it has 88 fats.
Is that a lot?
Too many, yeah.
Too many fats, guys. We're gonna get the raspberry matcha tonic. Look guys, 0 fats. Then you ask to put your name in. You can pick a random name. Straw. Vanilla hero. So this little drink costed 345 rubles, which is $4.50. It's really nice. I don't know what it is. I think it's matcha with lemonade and something. Now we got our coffee, I mean matcha, whatever, a drink, and now we're going to the embankment. Guys, this is the annoying part of Moscow in summer, because every year they're changing all the asphalt on the roads and it's impossible to walk around, and I bet there's no actual need to change it that often, but who knows. Before we get to the embankment, we're gonna go through the Krasnogvardeyskiye Ponds. Actually, this place in 19th century was called Russian Venice because the ponds and canals of the estate were so picturesque that people compared them to Italy. Obviously it doesn't look like Italy now, but some sort of a concert here. We've arrived to the embankment and now we're gonna go on a boat, which Anya didn't want to do. Why do you want to not go on a boat?
I didn't like it.
The thing is that the burger place, it's across the river, so we either have to go back all the way back to the metro, or we can use this perfect transport system.
For 500 rubles.
I told Anya didn't want to go, so I told her that I'll pay for her if she comes. A tourist asking for help. This guy speaks English. Nobody knows. We're here and we're gonna go to Beregovoy. So the boat costs 500 rubles, which is $6.50 on the weekend, but it's cheaper during weekdays. Oi! Jim and I already made, Jim, Scottish guy in Moscow, we've already made a video about this type of boat, so you can go watch it on his channel. So there's water here. Unfortunately, all the good places are already taken. Toilet. Nice and clean. By the way, this is my friend Anya. We've known each other for 5 years now. We've met at work, but then Anya did the unspeakable betrayal. She left our work. Anya is actually from Kungur. Kungur, I bet you guys never heard of it, but it actually has
Ice cave.
an ice cave. It's like a seventh world miracle.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a miracle.
It's a very small town in the Urals. There's nothing there. There's even no universities.
Oh, really?
So you can't get higher education there. So if you want it, you have to move to Tram to study. So I did.
Where did you go?
Tram State Pedagogical University.
How far is Perm from Moscow?
Less than 2 hours by plane. About 20 to 23 hours by train. So I usually travel there by train because I have a dog, and
Here, I will put picture of Twixik here.
Yes.
So you became...
digital marketing specialist.
Yes. So Anya actually found a course all by herself, finished the course herself.
For free, yes.
For
I
free.
didn't pay anything for it.
Why was it free?
Yeah.
Why? By why?
I don't know. It was free, just an online course.
Yeah, online course. Then she bought a bunch of books on digital marketing, and you actually told me that you've read one book 3 times
Yes,
to fully
because-
understand it.
Yes, because it was difficult to understand what it is about. So I got an offer from digital marketing agency. I started there as an assistant, and I was promoted a junior position, then in 1 more year to middle one. Now I work in-house in a beauty company.
It was a difficult journey, and she did it all by herself. So you see, she's not just a pretty face, she's also brains. But we were shocked when Anya told me that she was leaving. I was like, well, where? And she told me, and then we found out that Anya's really smart, and we both had no idea. It was a surprise.
Yeah, even for me. It's never late to start something new.
The boat is nice, but we're tired of being on it. You look really cold. We're really tired of being on it, so we're just gonna leave. We're late for burgers. Wait, my bag. It was here the entire time. you enjoy the boat?
No, I don't like it.
We left at Kutuzovskaya because we just can't take it anymore. And now we will go get our protein burgers. Look at the staircase we have to take. We finally made it. Chitchat, dietический fast food. 30 minutes till they close. They better serve us. Мы рады вашим питомцам. We're happy to see your pets. Wait. I need some protein for sure. So this is basically a place with protein burgers. So you can see, for example, chicken burger has 480 calories and 45 grams of protein. The potatoes have only 5 grams of fat and only 166 calories. So everything here is basically like the lowest amount of fat and the highest amount of protein. Oh, Anya already got her order because I'm trying to bulk up. I'm trying to gain muscle. So we're watching our protein. Alright, we got our stuff. I got a cheat burger, fries with almost no fat, 30 calorie sauce. What did you have?
I don't know. It's a wrap.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
And we got protein shakes. Right, check this bad boy out. This is healthy, guys. So you can eat like 10 of those a day, right? Forgot to say, the burger was 600 rubles, which is $6-7. The fries were 150 rubles. Anyway, all of this together was, and this came for free as a gift for the first order, it was 150 rubles, which is $11, which I think is not cheap, but healthy stuff. That's how much you have to pay for being healthy. We've decided to go for a walk to another residential complex because it's quite famous in Moscow. People say that it looks like New York. Yes. Anya, you've been to the US.
Yes.
Did you enjoy it?
Yep.
What were you doing there, Anya?
I was working 7 years ago. I worked in a souvenir shop.
It was like a exchange
Work and
program,
travel,
work
yeah.
and travel program.
I liked it.
Did you make a lot of money?
I did. Yeah. And I bought a lot of things there.
I mean, it looks alright, but I thought it would be a bit prettier. Apartments here are probably really expensive. Yes, you're the apartment expert. If you're ever in Russia and you see an advertisement for an apartment,
Yeah.
it was probably Anya's. There are lots of dogs here. People. I have my own too. Oh! Everyone's drunk here.
Huh? Yeah.
We're jealous. Oi. We're going upstairs for the view, and someone had a party here. Oh, I wish we were invited. Wow.
Looks like New York.
Anya called it New York for poor people.
And Moscow for rich.
Exactly. Alright guys, Thank you for coming on this walk with us. I hope you enjoyed it. I give this walk 9 out of 10. I take 1 point off for the boat because it sucked. I give 5 stars for the walk, 3 stars for the boat. There's gonna be stars. And 5 stars for burgers. And 6 stars for Anya. All right, bye-bye.
Bye.